Now we have the setup for VSWR measurement using a coaxial slotted line provided with Microstrip Lab MIC20. What we have here is a coaxial slotted line which uses a microstrip going from SMA connector here to here, and we've also provided a scale with a vernier display which can be used to measure the displacement in a resolution of about 100 microns. We have connected a probe which is measuring a very small amount of power from the microstrip in this slotted line, and that is being used to connect to the microwave sensor. One end of the slotted line is connected to the microwave source. This functions in the same way of a waveguide slotted line used for X-band measurements. So you can also use it to measure the S parameters just as the way you do it in a waveguide slotted line with the microwave labs. We have connected a microwave load here at one end of the termination. Now we observe as we move the slotted line, the probe is going to plot the voltage maxima and voltage minima. As we observe that because of the termination, the difference in the Vmax and V minimum is very low. As we change the frequency from 2 GHz to 3 GHz and 4 GHz, the distance between the minima will reduce and will vary in proportion to the frequency applied. As we disconnect this thing, the load end is now an open circuit, and the difference between the Vmax and V minimum will be very huge. As you can observe that over 20 dB is the difference in the Vmax and V minimum. Now we can connect our device under test, which in this case is a low pass filter with stepped impedance. We are going to connect one end of the slotted line to the low pass filter, and we move the slotted line, and we are going to plot the variation of power level with the distance at different frequencies. We observe that in the pass band the VSWR is low, so the difference in the Vmax and V minimum is small, but as we move into the stop band of the instrument, the difference in the Vmax and V minimum is large, which is showing that the filter is not acting as a match load in the stop band characteristics.